part one of this. We've got a regular old mortar shell sitting here on our stump, and we're gonna go shoot it with a 308 and see if we can't get it to go off. Okay, full disclosure, I did not think that was gonna go off. I really thought nothing was gonna happen. But turns out, if you shoot a firework with a 308, it will go off. And because that was so much fun, I think we should do it a few more times. Welcome back to Sheepdog Nation, boys and girls. Today we have the most American episode of Sheepdog Nation I've ever made. Out of all five, I think it's 5 episodes that we've made so far. But that's because it's the 4th of July and we got something special planned, because 4th of July here means guns and fireworks. Today we're going to try and combine those two. So let me show you a little bit of what we're planning to do here. We have a firework in a tube with a fuse run over and taped to this here steel plate. What we're gonna do with that fuse taped to that there steel plate is we're gonna shoot it with an incendiary 308. And my plan is that this incendiary will hopefully light that fuse and set off this firework. Now obviously I'm doing one right now because it's daytime and we're not gonna waste a whole fireworks show. So this is just a little preview of what we got coming up tonight. And that, boys and girls, is how you set off a firework with a rifle. I did not think shooting the fireworks was actually going to set them off, so I already had all this other stuff planned and set up. Bonus content. But what we got here is we got a bunch of fireworks set up. Here in a couple hours, once it's dark, we're going to come and have a little 308 fireworks show. In our 308, we're running some high incendiary rounds just to make sure that our fuses go off. I've never done a show like this before, so we're gonna find out how well I fused everything together, how well it all works. I was thinking about it, and it's gonna be pitch black when we finish our fireworks. So before we get on to the show, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, tell all your friends about us, tell the friends that you think would think it's cool about us. We love you. 1% better every day.
Wow, not done.
Rain and fire. I now get what the fire extinguishers are for.
Yeah. Yeah. We're getting rained on. I don't know which one of them did it, but towards the end. I just got like. Yeah, I just felt my arm. Hey, load them up again. Load them up again. Help them. Help them unwrap. Yeah, let's just load those two. I'll help load the first. Drop this thing down at 2. Take that, neighbor.
What?
Take that, neighbor. Good job. You didn't die too. That was...
Like, what is happening?
I got 3 in the first.
You guys have a good one? Yes. We had one before. They got it.
Wow. It keeps walking away.
You like that?